Good morning, day 6. Today we actually start out at the normal time now, 8 o'clock. We got in late last night. It was a very long day. So today we're gonna go eat breakfast, actual real breakfast, restaurant breakfast instead of family mart breakfast. And then we're gonna go to the temple with the Hydrangea and then go to the Uji town, which is where all the matcha magic happening. What do you think of Osaka?
Osaka is good, it's fun, it's crowded. Not much thing to do.
Do you want to go back?
No.
Huh?
Why not?
You don't?
No.
There's different area though.
Maybe that's we didn't go all of it.
He went to the business area. So should we go back or no? This is tunable. I think I got the combination of fish and pork. And my wife got mackerel. And what? That's it?
No, just fish and rice and miso. That's it.
We found like a little flea market on the way to the temple. And Mia, because she's so tired, she's like, let's take a stop.
I think they have matcha ramen. 抹茶ありますよ。富士の抹茶、富士茶、新茶も。
Everything looks so cute. Japanese style cute.
Oh yeah, this is. Is that what I think it is?
What is it?
Crystal.
Is it earrings?
Oh what? Yeah. Matcha dango. No, it's not. Dango.
Of course. She got him on dong. How's your break, Mia?
My legs hurt.
Your leg hurt? Mia, leg hurt
Oh guys.
already.
It's been official. 22 minutes, right?
23.
Has it been 23?
It's been like 23.
Really?
She was
23.
tired 5 minutes in.
I didn't even.
She was.
I didn't even feel
Alright,
It
time
feels
to
like
climb
10.
some more mountain. Mia style.
I'm not. Let's go.
Oh, you got to pay 500 yen.
How do you need a break?
Well-
We've been walking.
Mia, why are you climbing?
Let's go.
This is the main gate to the temple. This temple is called Mimuroto-ji Temple.
There's a big old hill.
Man, look at the stair going up to the temple. Mia's gonna love this. How do you feel, Mia? Huh? Are you ready for this hill? You need some oxygen?
Angle.
She might need some oxygen at the end.
Stop it.
You can do it, Mia.
Is there a bug on me? I feel like there's a bug on me. No.
This is beautiful. Look at all these flowers. Well, we didn't buy a stamp book, so now it's time to buy a stamp book.
Oh yeah.
6 days in. Before we can do anything, we gotta buy some stuff.
It's for grandma. For grandma.
Gift shop area. I think this is the main temple. There's a lot of people here too. It's not just us. There's a lot of people walking up the hill when we walked in. They have a lot of this lotus pot laying around all over the ground. This is the main temple area. Everybody has the same idea as me. So if you rub your hand on this statue, it's for good life and healthy. They say if you rub in the ball, you get legs and back health
And good luck.
and good luck. All right.
Take a picture for you? Alright.
And if you touch the ball in the mouth of this cow, it's good luck. Oh, and you have to put some money in there.
You don't have to. It's
If you want your luck to come true.
It's just a donation.
Donation.
Like donations to the church.
No.
So right now we are buying incense to light up. I think each one has its own praying topics, I guess. Mia translating all the
I think it's kanji.
kanji. What does that mean?
Hiragana and then kanji. Okay, so there's home security, ancestors' offerings, able-bodied, wish come true, disease recovery.
Make it two.
Disease
Which one?
recovering.
Which one?
Home security, ancestor offerings, able-bodied, wish come true, disease recovery.
Able body. Mommy need the able body.
Which one?
It's only 100. You can get all 4.
Yeah, I've just,
So we decided to get all 5.
that one is ancestor offering.
And each of us is gonna light one up.
Home security.
Home security.
I got the home security one.
Wish come true.
Yeah.
Disease recovery.
Looking down to the whole town. This place is so beautiful. Look at all this. Zen garden, pond. So we just left Mimuroto-ji Temple. It was so beautiful. I mean the flowers are all blooming, right?
Not partially blooming.
Partially. I mean, can
Yeah,
you be
just-
bigger than that?
Yeah, you can have
Oh.
more surrounding, more.
And there's so many different colors, many different varieties. The temple was pretty big. It was crowded. There's a lot of people there.
Because it's a nice day.
Right, today is the first non-raining day of the week.
Yep.
So now we're gonna walk to Uji downtown, just to browse around. Spend the rest of the afternoon here.
Yes.
So this is Uji Bridge. The first novel in the world was written here by the court lady. And one of the famous samurais jumped off here in one of the war. I don't know the name.
Needing your feet or no? No.
This is the statue of the lady that wrote the first novel. Not Mia, the lady, the statue.
Ew, I'm ugly. Hold on. Come on, go, 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 go. I'm scared of the burger.
They patiently waiting for food. This is the view that I have for a little break. Except the people standing in front of me. Leave. Alright, so this is the view. Look at that awesome view. We got matcha buffet and some fruity drinks, and this looks really good. Look at all this. This is like the main street. There's a shop on both sides, and kind of thing there's a hornet. On our way to the tea factory. We are at the Uji Japanese tea workshop. This is, I think, a factory. Tea factory. This is right next to the Uji Shrine. This is the museum, tea making museum. This is the entrance to the Uji Shrine. Brand new building. Construction. Entrance to the Uji Ginger Shrine. Sorry. Look at that matcha making cup machine. This is matcha beer. It look. Come on, mommy.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I didn't know.
This is matcha noodle soy sauce, 2 ramen with boiled egg. What do you want? This is what you got ordered, Tiny. What is it?
Good question.
It's ramen.
I don't know what it is.
Pork.
Oh, it's good. Ooh, it's good.
Matcha Diora? Diora. Gyoza. Matcha gyoza.
The worst.
This is the entrance to the Byodo-in Temple. We are buying our ticket to get into the Byodo-in Temple. Byodo-in Temple. This temple is on the 10 yen coin. The golden phoenix. As the reward of today walking around, we're getting matcha ice cream. Matcha Softserve.
Ice cream. Oh wait, let's take a picture of it. Oh my god, I just got water powder on my mouth.
I got it.
Do you want a picture? 5-star one.
Get your ice cream, Dad.
Eat it, mommy.
Good.
Strong.
Very strong.
Everybody coughing. Too strong. Can't handle it.
You just blow the whole matcha away.
And we spent the rest of the night at Kyoto Station doing the grand staircase elevator, and went to the skywalk and looked at the Kyoto Tower at nighttime. It was very beautiful, and that was basically the rest of the day yesterday.